stop uploading your sensitive data to the cloud. Every time you paste a contract, a piece of proprietary code, or personal information into ChatGPT, you are handing that data over to a third party. Today, we're going to fix that. In this masterclass, I will teach you how to build a fully private military-grade AI server right on your own laptop. It costs $0, it works completely offline, and we are going to build it from scratch using Docker, Python, and Ollama. We aren't just installing a chat app. We are building a custom AI engineer that runs on your local hardware. Let's dive in. First, let's set up a professional environment. Create a new folder on your desktop called Private AI Stack and open it with Visual Studio Code. We are going to follow industry best practices. Instead of hard coding our passwords, we will create an environment file. Create a new file named simply.env. In this file, we will define our configuration variables. First, set port equals 3000. This is where our interface will live. Next, let's set a security key. Type WEBUI_secret_key equals, and then smash your keyboard to generate a random string. This keeps your session secure. Finally, tell the system where the AI brain lives by setting Ollama_base_URL to the local Docker address. Save this file. This ensures that if we ever share our code, our secrets stay safe. Now, we need to build the infrastructure. We are using Docker Compose to orchestrate our services. Create a file named dockercompose.yml. We are defining two main services here. The first service is Ollama. This is the backend engine, the actual brain. Notice how we are mapping a volume here? This is crucial. It ensures that when you download a 10 GB model, it saves permanently to your hard drive so you don't have to download it every time you restart the server. The second service is Open WebUI. This is the front end. Instead of typing the ports manually, we refer to our .env file using the $sign syntax. This tells Docker to look at the file we just created. This setup is clean, modular, and easy to maintain. Go ahead and save the file. Our blueprint is ready. Now, let's turn it into reality. Open the integrated terminal in versus code. Type the command docker-compose-up-d. The -d flag stands for detached, meaning it will run in the background. If this is your first time, Docker will pull the images from the internet. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you will see two done messages. To verify everything is working, type docker ps. You should see both Ollama and Open WebUI running and healthy. We are live. Open your browser and navigate to localhost 3000. Since this is a fresh private server, you need to create the first account. This account will automatically become the administrator. Right now, the AI has no brain. We need to install a model. Go to the Settings icon, click on Models, and look for the Pull a Model section. We are going to use Llama 3. It is currently the best open source model for general coding and reasoning. Type Llama 3 and hit the download button. This will download the model weights directly into that Docker volume we created earlier. Once it reaches 100%, we are ready to chat. Most tutorials stop there, but we are going deeper. Let's create a custom AI employee that behaves exactly how we want. Actually, an easy way is to just go to the web UI, click on Models, Create Model, then we use the system prompt to give it a personality. I'm going to tell it, you are IT Probot. You answer with strict code examples only, no fluff. Let's name it IT Probot and save it. Now you have a specialized coding assistant. Now, forget about simple chatting. We are going to unlock the most powerful feature of this server, RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Basically, this allows you to give your AI a brain transplant with your own data. Let's say you have a confidential legal contract, a patient's medical record, or a proprietary code manual. You cannot upload these to ChatGPT without risking a data leak. But here, Watch this. I'm going to drag and drop this PDF file directly into the chat. Look at the upload button. Now type the hash symbol, hash, to select the document. I'm going to ask it, summarize the critical points of this document for me. Boom! Did you see that speed? It read the file, analyzed it, and gave me an answer in seconds. And the best part? This file never left my hard drive. No cloud, no tracking, no subscription fees. You have just built a private research assistant that can read thousands of your documents securely. And here is the ultimate test. You can disconnect your Wi-Fi or unplug your Ethernet cable right now. Go ahead, try it. You will see that you can still chat, you can still analyze your documents, and your system keeps running 100% offline. You now have the infrastructure, the interface, and a private RAG system running on your own hardware. I have uploaded the setup files and the Docker configuration to my GitHub linked in the description. If you want to learn how to expose this server safely to the internet so you can use it from your phone while traveling, let me know in the comments. This is Anna from IT Solutions Pro. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next masterclass.